So we have here 500 grams of cabbage, 200 grams of minced ground pork. So if you don't like ground pork, you can switch it to beef or chicken or turkey, but they have to be minced or ground. 1 chili, you can skip this if you don't like it spicy. Ginger, this is around maybe a tablespoon of ginger. I will mince this up. I will mince 3 garlic cloves. Need some soy sauce for seasoning, sesame oil, and beef powder or beef broth mix. Let's start by separating our cabbage. We have to take this all apart. Okay. Okay, now we are going to shred the part that are softer like this in a bite size, and then we have to thinly cut the part that is a little bit harder, which is this in the middle. We're just gonna cut this in the thinner slices. Just like that. Transferring this into a plate, and then we can start chopping our ginger and garlic and our chilies. We get a ginger, we're just gonna try to strip it very thinly. Right there. If you don't like ginger, you can skip this, no problem, but I love ginger. There you go. This is around 1 tablespoon of ginger. Our chilies, just strips it just like that. Another thing, these chilies you can skip it too, but I love chilies, spicy. You can start cooking. I'm just gonna add around 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil into my wok. Let's go ahead and add in our garlic and ginger. Cook it for a few seconds, and then we can add our chilies. Okay. Then our minced meat. Again, you can use any minced ground meat you like. I'm using ground pork right now. Okay, let's cook this a little bit. Let's add a little bit of salt. Okay. Going to add in the hard part of the cabbage. We'll cook this for at least 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, we can add in the rest of our cabbage. We don't need water with this recipe, so just leave it like that. We'll toss it, mix it well. Okay. Just like that. And then we can add in our seasoning. So we'll start with our beef powder, around a teaspoon, and a tablespoon of soy sauce. Then toast it, mix it. that. And then we will cover it and cook it for at least 3 minutes. Okay, after 3 minutes, let's mix it up again. And we'll add some sesame oil. Just a little bit, around a teaspoon to half a teaspoon. There you go. Mix, mix, mix. And we're done. You can eat the cabbage recipe just like that, but I'm gonna have it with some steamed rice. Delicious. Let's try if it's still a little bit crunchy, because we want to have a crunchy cabbage. Yum. Good. Delicious.